الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور، له الأسماء الحسنى، يسبح له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض، وهو العزيز الحكيم. صدق الله العظيم. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to find the solutions of our problems in the ninth from the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that is Al-Aziz, the Mighty. So Allah will grant honor, self-esteem and self-sufficiency to the one who recites this name of Allah 40 times or 40 days regularly, and anyone who uses to recite 41 times daily, he will become self-sufficient and honorable and attain dignity, even if he had been disgraced and humiliated before. Hope you for the best. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.